Hi everyone, today we're on Module 4, Fractions. This is Level F of VMath, and this is the last lesson of this module. So turn to page 59 to follow along and take notes. Okay, so this is just a quick math flash. This is solving problems with fractions. It says the waiter at a restaurant needs to refill 12 empty salt shakers. He was able to refill 2/3 of the salt shakers before stopping to serve some food. How many salt shakers did the waiter refill? 24, 18, 9, or 8. So it says, find the number of salt shakers the waiter refilled. Our strategy is to eliminate unreasonable answer choices. When you multiply a proper fraction by a non-zero whole number, the product is always blank than the whole number. Well, when you multiply a proper fraction, so here a proper fraction by a non-zero whole number, the product will always be less than. Because if it is a fraction like this, 2/3, then it's going to be less than, because that is not, 2/3 does not equal even one whole. So what is the whole number factor in this problem? The whole number factor is 12. So then the answer choices greater than the whole number factor are 24 and 18. So we know it can't be either of those. So what we're going to do, it says multiply 2/3 and 12. So when we multiply 2/3 times 12, we do 2/3 times 12 and we make it over 1. So then we multiply the numerators. Remember, 2 times 12 is 24. And then you do 3 times 1 is 3. And then you have 24 over 3, so 24 divided by 3 is 8. So is the answer reasonable? Yes, because it is less than 12. So your final answer is 8. This says we're going to eliminate unreasonable answer choices and solve each problem. Miss Clark made 28 candles. She kept 1/4 of the candles to give her family and sold the rest at a craft sale. How many did she keep for her family? Well, remember, it has to be 1/4 is less than 28, because 1/4 doesn't even equal one whole. So she only kept 1/4 of them. So we got to cross off the numbers that are bigger. So then we think 1/4, well, let's solve the problem. If we do 28 over 1 times 1/4, we get 28 over 4, and then 28 divided by 4 is 7. So remember, if you can use some of this problem solving, it will definitely help you if you can eliminate answers that you know are not correct. Number 2 says, Jake is walking 10 miles for a fundraiser. After 2 hours, he has walked 3/5 of the total distance. How far has he walked after 2 hours? Well, he's walking 10 miles, so we know for sure it can't be 50 or 30, because that is more than 10. And plus we're doing 3/5 times 10 miles, so we do 10 over 1. So then we get 3 times 10 is 30, 5 times 1 is 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So far he has walked 6 miles. All right, so all you need to do now is make sure that all your notes are completed and show your teacher those completed notes on page 59 to receive a stamp. Good job.